Prepare to be enchanted by a tale of magic, bravery, and kindness. In a hidden realm beyond silver waterfalls, there lies a secret kingdom called Lunaria. This magical world is filled with glowing flowers, flying unicorns, talking trees, and sparkling rivers that will take your breath away. Meet Princess Aria, a gentle soul with golden hair and a heart full of compassion. She loves nothing more than exploring her magical kingdom and chatting with every creature, from the tiniest fairy to the shyest dragon. But one day, darkness threatens this wondrous land. The once vibrant flowers lose their glow, and the shimmering rivers turn murky. Whispers of fear spread among the creatures. If the crystal of light vanishes, our world will fade away forever. Brave Princess Aria steps forward, declaring, "I will find the crystal and save our magical world." With her tiny glowing fairy friend Luma by her side, she embarks on an extraordinary adventure. Watch as Aria journeys through forests where trees sing melodies, crosses bridges made of rainbows, and climbs mountains where stars touch the earth. But her path is not without peril. She faces a terrifying storm of shadows, a mysterious puzzle gate that only truth can unlock, and even encounters a lonely giant whose terrors could flood the land. Yet, Princess Aria doesn't rely on weapons or force. Instead, she wields the most powerful magic of all: kindness, honesty, and respect. With courage in her heart and Luma's light to guide her, Aria comforts the misunderstood giant, solves the puzzle with wisdom, and bravely walks through the shadows. Her journey leads her to a crystal cave, where the precious crystal of light is trapped in a cage of darkness. In a moment that will leave you breathless, Princess Aria places her hands on the shadowy prison and whispers, "Only love can break darkness." Suddenly, the crystal bursts free, flooding the world with brilliant light. Flowers bloom once more, rivers sparkle with renewed energy, and joyous cheers echo through the land. Long live Princess Aria, the Princess of Light. From that day forward, Aria becomes more than just a princess. She stands as a shining symbol of courage, love, and kindness for all of Lunaria. Remember, brave adventurers, when we face our fears with love and truth in our hearts, light will always triumph over darkness. Princess Aria's magical journey teaches us that kindness and bravery are the most powerful magic of all.